this is Malika from Suprava Treats. Tell me something, do you ever get confused what to make in snacks? Well, I have a solution for that. Today I am going to make a snack recipe which is rich in protein and tasty. I am gonna make soya veggie chops. In case you prefer non-vegetarian, you can replace soya chunks with ground chicken. So let's begin. These are the ingredients. I have taken 1 cup of boiled soya chunks, 1 boiled potato, 2 small sized boiled carrots, 1/4 cup of boiled green peas, 2 teaspoons of finely chopped coriander, and half teaspoon of fresh ginger which I have grated. I'll start the process by mashing potato, carrots and peas together. I'm going to blend this into smaller chunks, and friends, make sure this shouldn't become a paste. The soya chunks are finely blended. You can have a look. Now I'm going to saute the mashed vegetables and blended soya chunks with some spices. So I'm putting 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm adding the blended soya chunks. Mashed vegetables. Finely chopped coriander. Grated ginger, salt as per the taste. Stir it. After sauteing it for 5 minutes, I'm going to add crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon of spice mixture. It is a combination of fennel, coriander and cumin powder, and 1 cube of butter. Before turning off the gas, I am going to add half teaspoon of Garam Masala. I'm going to make balls of this mixture. So for binding, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of whole wheat flour. You can also use all-purpose flour or corn flour. I'm giving them oval shape. You can give them any shape you like. I'm going to coat these balls with breadcrumbs, but before that I am going to dip them in a solution. Let me show you how to make the solution. I'm taking half cup of water and 3 teaspoons of flour. Here also I have taken whole wheat flour. Mix. Before deep frying them, I am going to keep them in the fridge for half an hour. The oil is ready, so now I am going to deep fry soya veggie chops. So friends, the soya veggie chops are ready. I have garnished with fresh coriander and onion rings. Try making this tasty recipe at home, and please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the bell icon